Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with another wig video for you. This is just one wig today. This is a wig that I've had for probably like a year and a half, maybe 2 years now. And I got it because I saw another YouTuber with it. Like one of my coworkers showed me this YouTuber with the wig and I saw it and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get it. This is the most expensive wig that I own. Aaliyah J, that's her name. I was about to type it in. Aaliyah J. She got this wig and I went ahead and got it. This is the most expensive wig that I've ever purchased. I think this wig was like $200 and something. And I've never had a wig that expensive. But before I get into this wig video, I want you to go down below, click that subscribe button, and click the bell notification button so you never miss when I post, okay? Join the club, y'all. What do I always say? It's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Okay? Now, my hair is already cornrowed down, and I have some like, the edges aren't like all the way cornrowed down, because I figure with this wig, I need to like leave some edges out. We'll get into that. And I have this black wig cap, and the only thing is this wig has a side part, so I'm hoping that one of these side parts lines up with my wig, but I'm gonna worry about that when we get to it. All right, so this is a kinky straight wig. So this is what I feel like my hair would look like if I like just blew it out. Now I have not been taking care of it because I took her off of a wig head and then threw her up in my closet. So the front looks a mess. And this is the most expensive wig that I own and I treat it like crap. This is terrible. I'm gonna take my dimming brush, and before I even take her off the head, I'm gonna try to like get her together a little bit. So if you wet this wig, it gets really crinkly. And I did get this wig cut. I had a hairstylist cut like a bang in the front for me, kind of layer it a little bit, because it comes with the part and this side is all like the same length, but I needed something to frame my face. So I had somebody cut that for me. And this is just in the natural color. And I'll put all the information below in the description box so I don't have it all off the top of my head. There we go, she's looking a little better. The only thing I would want to do is kind of take out some of this fullness in the bang. But yeah, this was my wig when I was pregnant. Oh y'all, this is my go-to. Because I could still like pull it back. Yes, I've actually only had this wig. Oh no, it's been almost 2 years. Yeah, a year and a half. Because I got it before I started my last job. But there is a side part. Or no. It's a lace front. So you can part it anywhere. Anywhere you want. So I just chose to put my part in the, my part is here. But you can part it anywhere in the front. So there's probably like 1.5 inches of lace up front. And the wig comes with 3 combs in the front and 2 adjustable straps. Let me go ahead and put my straps on. And there's also lace in the back, but I've already cut my lace off because I've worn it. I don't know what size I ordered this wig in, but it does feel a little big on my head. Like people say I got a big head, but then I get wigs and they don't be fitting. Alright, so this is the wig. So it comes to you looking just like this. Now I have wet it before and it gets super crinkly. Like crinkly curly. So you see I have some layers cut on the side just to frame my face. The only con to this wig is like I feel like a lot of the density is here, and I feel like I would need some more right here. in this top portion. I feel like they put all the weight up front. But I am going to go through and like straighten it a little bit. And you can get this wig like bone straight. If you go to Aaliyah J's channel, you can see her video and she got this wig bone straight. But I like the kinky fullness. I think I don't like, yeah, I like the fullness of the kinky look. It looks like I just like blew my hair out. Alright, so here it is, the kinky straight wig. So like I said, you can get it straight. I don't want to sit here and like bore y'all with going through and straightening this whole entire wig. But I did just run the flat iron through it a little bit. But I still like the fullness and the little bit of texture that it leaves. And I'm gonna, let's lay these hairs down. Somebody enroll me in a baby hair class. It's tragic. This is how I typically wore it. Just, you know, give a little curl to the bangs. I did like go through and straighten it one time, the whole thing. But this is how I will typically wear this wig. And I wore this like almost the entire summer when I was pregnant until I got braids. And people thought this was my real hair. So just goes to show you. And I will pull it back into a ponytail like this. If you know, got your baby hairs laid down, you can tuck it behind your ear. I will pull it back. And then I would wear like a loose braid in it sometimes. So just depending on how I was feeling. So I feel like there's a lot you can do with this wig. And I like it. It was worth the investment. It's the most, like I said, the most expensive wig I own. And I felt cool. I was like, ooh, I'm buying me a lace front wig. And I don't know, you know, how to like, you know, freak them yet. You know, I'm still learning. I'm gonna learn how to, you know, slay a wig, okay? But yeah, booties. But yeah, beauties, that is it for this wig. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs up this video if you like it. Go ahead down below and click that subscribe button to subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.